Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Elbe shower system stainless steel with thermostat rain shower. Oh, and an hand shower and douchebag. Shower column, chrome plated shower set. Square overhead shower is inclusive for wellness, luxury, and shower pleasure in your own bathroom. What you have is a stainless steel shower column equipped with two functions: rain shower and hand shower. It has a classic overhead shower for a pleasant scalp massage, hand shower with stainless steel hose for individual areas. The thermostat starts ensures constant temperatures control, very practical, easy to install, and looks elegant and luxurious. Water pressure of both functions by one regulator, but not applicable simultaneously. But this is a nice shower system, and this will give you a luxury look into your bathroom. Rain shower head, adjusting screw for shower height, hand shower head, temperature regulator, and function control is on board. Freely divide if the water should flow through the shower head or the hand shower. Really awesome. You have a flexible comfort zone to switch up and down your hand shower head. And of course, you have a 360 rotation-able rain shower from above your head. Awesome. So there it is. On the top side, you have a rain shower head. Then it is possible to adjust the length of your shower installation. Adjusting screw for the shower height to adjust it. You have a hand shower bracket. This hand shower bracket, you're able to go up and down by pushing one button. And you have a function controller. This is on the left side of your valve system on the bottom side. Then you have a handheld shower head. You can equip it in the host, or you can leave it out of the hub, and then you can use it with your hands, or you will rest it on the hub easily. You have a thermostat. This is on the right side of the bottom side of the system, and of course the shower hose. The shower hose is made of a good quality, luxurious material. It is a metal thing, stainless steel, awesome. So what you will need is one electric drill with a 6 millimeter drill. It should be a drill for your area at home. Then you will only need one hole. You have to do only one hole, and this hole you have to do is at the area of the adjustment thing. That means if you have the adjusting screw for the shower height, there it is the host to install on the wall. Really awesome design, because on the bottom side on the thermostat there are two lines for hot and for cold water, and these two are in the dimension of a standard European. That means you can dock it by using a little bit of tape with it. This is a special tape for sanitary use. Then rotate it around. Then place it on the tubes for hot water and cold water. Then install this adapter things. These two hot and cold to the thermostat, and the thermostat is assembled to the wall with these two screws. Awesome. It is not screws. These are two nuts. Okay, two nuts will assemble this or attach this easily. Then you have a stable stainless steel shower set on the bottom side area. So then the only thing you have to do is do a measurement from the thermostat wire up to the area where you have to drill, and this should be about, I don't know what it is. It is from 79 centimeters to 119. That have you adjust by yourself because of your dimensions of your shower area. Okay, then drill the hole 6 millimeters and push the plug into it. Attach the holding system. This is the adjusting screw for shower head, not the screw, the shower head adjuster itself. This will fix this set on the upper side of the shower system. It's awesome. Then the only thing to do is take the upper part of your shower system and push it into the thermostat. Job's done. Then attach it to the wall. Then it is assembled. Awesome. The only thing you have to do is the rain shower head, rotate it, job's done. After this, you have to attach the shower hose on the hand shower bracket, and the other side you have to attach to the thermostat. So job's done. After this, you can have a shower easily, and it is a good system. Stainless steel with thermostat, and it is a rain shower head, and it looks really beautiful. Awesome. I will do a special editive video for the assembling of this system, and this is better to explain if you see what I'm talking about now. Okay, so this stainless steel system comes with these parts to you in one big box, and it is really good, packed really good, and you can attach it through to the wall easily. Only one hole is necessary. You do not need to drill so much holes inside your sanitary area. It's only one hole you have to drill. The other thing will connect to your water supply. That means the hot water supply tube and the cold water supply tube. Really easy. The dimensions are total 79 centimeters up to 119 centimeters. This is adjustable. The head is 25 to 25 centimeters. From the wall to the outside of the rain shower upper area is 35 centimeters. The main tube in the middle is 2.6 to 1.4 centimeters, and the hand shower bracket is about 24 centimeters in the length, and your thermostat is 26.5 centimeters. And of course, the tube, which is attached on the bottom side of your thermostat, will get you 150 centimeters. This is the shower hose. Really good dimensions for standard sanitary areas. This is good for your shower area. Awesome. So here you can see what you will get and how you can install it. In the future, I will make a video about the if you can see. So you will see how you can attach this stainless steel system with rain shower head and hand shower to your wall at your bathroom. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.